I mean, how candid am I? Yeah, so it's going to be a reflection of who I am.
Okay, and where do you think you will be getting your inspiration from for, is it only the films or are you going to be looking beyond it?
I'm going to be doing everything that makes me me. So films is a large part of who I am, but it's also going to be fashion, it's going to be books, it's going to be food, it's going to be travel, it's going to be my girls, it's going to be my friends, it's going to be the people I work with who also happen to be my best friends. It's going to be lots of stuff. It's going to be lots and lots of stuff. It's going to be, pretty and warm and inspirational, and I'm going to try my very, very best to make it as interesting and as interactive and as cool as I can make it. Yeah, thank you.
Hi Sonam, this is
Hi.
Nawaz from Stardust.
Hi.
Hi. So the app is really stylish. It looks very great.
Thank you.
And I think so girls are really going to enjoy it.
What
But
about boys? Excuse
exactly,
me.
that's my question to you. How helpful or
Excuse-
useful is it for boys?
Well, don't boys want to see me in pretty clothes and look hot? There'll be lots of pictures there. And also there'll be book reviews. There'll be lots of book reviews. There'll be reviews of films. There's my workahol section. I mean, some boys like to wear makeup as well. Why are you judging? And there'll be makeup tutorials and, there'll be lots of things. There will be lots of things. It's not only specific to girls. It's specific to girls, boys, older people, younger people, children, gay people, not so gay people. It's for everybody. It's for everyone. And everybody will find a place there. In fact, there are lots of boys who've downloaded the app, and there are lots of boys who're putting up stuff already. And I hope you download it. Just don't be afraid of the color pink, darling. It doesn't make you less of a boy.
सोनम रितेश फ्रॉम ई टीवी।
Hi, Ritesh. How are you?
आपसे सवाल अभी भी थोड़ी देर पहले हम
हाँ
लोग
जी।
आईफा के प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पे अनिल सर ने बोला कि वो जानने को उत्सुक थे कि ऊपर आप क्या कर रही हैं घर में, तो क्या चल रहा था 2-3 दिन से घर पे?
हाँ जी, वो बहुत ही मतलब जो मेरी जो माँ है और मेरे जो डैड हैं वो बहुत ही इरिटेट हो जाते हैं कि जब मैं शूटिंग करती हूँ घर पे या कुछ करती हूँ घर पे, क्योंकि मैं काम करती रहती हूँ। वो कभी कभी बोलते हैं, बेटा तुम बाहर क्यों नहीं जाती हो, तुम दोस्तों से मिलती क्यों नहीं हो, तुम ये क्यों नहीं करती हो, क्या नहीं कर। तो इस वक्त मैंने डैड को बोला कि मैं एक स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रही हूँ, और वो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हो गए जब मैंने उनको समझाया कि क्या है। एंड वो बहुत ही इम्प्रेस्ड हैं इस सारे, मतलब वो वरुण को भी बहुत सालों से जानते हैं। So he was very impressed with both of us, and he saying, बहुत अच्छा काम किया आप दोनों ने, कैसे कर लिया ये। पर honestly अगर मैं अपनी टीम को ज़्यादा क्रेडिट देना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं उनको कंटेंट देती हूँ, मैं उनको बोलती हूँ कि ये सब है, मुझे ये सब करना है, पर they put everything together for me, and that's Bling with the kids at Bling, and obviously Preeti, this new girl that I've hired who is going to be managing everything, and then there's House of Pixels who's going to be creating the content for me with me. So मैंने बहुत ही अच्छी team hire की है, and my dad has loved it, and I hope all of you guys love it, because we're all young people, we're all trying to make something different.
सोनम क्या रेवेन्यू जनरेशन मॉडल भी कुछ होगा इसका?
अभी तो कुछ नहीं है। आप जैसे जानते हैं कि ये फ्री है, ये अभी सिर्फ एक दुनिया है जहाँ लोग जा सकते हैं और कुछ और दूसरा डिफरेंट देख सकते हैं। तो वो सब अभी हमने सोचा नहीं है, पर ये जो मार्केटिंग की जो प्लानिंग ये सब जो है, ये एक्चुअली सिर्फ डिसाइपल के ऊपर है। ये मेरा जॉब नहीं है बिल्कुल। मेरा जॉब है जो मैं इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, ये जो भी मैं इंस्टाग्राम में करती हूँ, जैसे मैंने प्रेम रतन धन पायो का डब स्मैश किया, नीरजा में फियर वर्सेस नीरजा का जो मैंने किया, और जो मैं ट्विटर पे करती हूँ, जो मैं स्नैपचैट पे करती हूँ, ये सब जो है कंसोलिडेटेड जगह पे है।
और मीडिया इंटरेक्शंस जो आपके होते हैं
हाँ
रेगुलर,
जी।
वो भी क्या इसमें दिखाई देंगे?
अगर आप चाहते हो तो आप भी जाके मुझसे क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो वहाँ, ये आपके ऊपर है, देखते हैं।
थैंक यू।
मोस्ट वेलकम।
हाय सोनम।
हाय।
सोनम, वुमेन्स के लिए ढेर सारी फैसिलिटी होंगी आपके इस
हाँ,
ऐप में, बट मेन के लिए
मैंने
भी
ये
कुछ?
क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी आंसर कर दिया, पर ये आदमियों के लिए भी है, जस्ट बिकॉज इट्स पिंक कलर गाइस, व्हाट द हेल, लड़कों के लिए भी है, बहुत सारे जो मेन हैं उन्होंने ऑलरेडी मेल्स जो हैं जैसे आप कहते हैं they've already joined the app. But there will be lots of other things. Like I said, मुझे movies देखना बहुत पसंद है, मुझे video game खेलना बहुत पसंद है, मुझे basketball खेलना बहुत पसंद है. मुझे cricket के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं है, because most men in India that's what they do, either go to work or watch cricket or bet on cricket. But so मैं उसके बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ बोल नहीं सकती हूँ, but I'll do whatever. I'm just going to be myself, and if men like who I am, then they can follow me. Because it's pink color, is that why men are getting upset? Huh? I'm seeing a couple of boys who are wearing pink shirts. Where's KP? He's wearing a pink shirt. Where is he?
Hi Sonal,
Hi.
what's the whole agenda here?
Yes.
Hi, Shaheen from Glamsham.
Hi, Shaheen from Glam Sham.
Hi. So what was the whole agenda behind creating this app? What did you want to
Eh,
convey to the audiences?
No, it was basically to consolidate all my social media into one. I realized that on social media you can even start a revolution. I mean, I think Modi definitely won the election because of social media, right? That's what everybody talks about, how he used it and everything. Not that I want to be any politician or anything. I'm just joking. That was a joke, guys. Please don't make it into a headline. But
Don't
what,
print that. Please don't print that.
but no, what I'm trying to say is that with social media, what we can do is quite amazing and quite relevant. And I think everybody's on their phones these days, you know. And instead of inviting everybody home, I thought maybe just invite them to a reflection of my home and to show them what my life is like, and not what everybody. You know, there's a perception about me, there's an image that is created about every celebrity out there, every public figure out there. And sometimes it might not be close to the truth. Even though I'm quite straightforward and honest, and I try to be myself as much as I can in front of everybody, because I think it's really stupid to be otherwise. But I feel like this will be, this is the real me, this is what people will see. And like I said, being on social media does not take away from being a celebrity, a star, an actor, or anything. It does not make you less mysterious, less glamorous, nothing. Right now, what an actor can do is be as real and as aspirational as they can be, and this is the best way to do it, is to connect face to face and to tell people that I am no better than you. I am just like you. And this is what my life is like. And if you aspire to have a life like mine, it's very easily achievable. And that's what I'm trying to, you know, and that's what aspiration is, to aspire to be like something or to be like someone. And that's what an actor or a public figure should be, besides the craft that they, you know, do. And that's exactly what I'm trying to do with this app. And yeah, Glam Sham. I love that name. Yeah. No, are you crazy? Nobody will hire me, yeah. If I like a film, then I will. If I don't like a film, I just won't mention it.
Yeah, and she
Hi,
briefly
Sonam.
did that with the Disney films.
Yeah, I did that. Did you see the Disney film thing? So it might not be films that have released recently. It could be things that I've liked before, like the 6 films which were relevant to me. You know, I want to be Belle.
Hi, Sonam.
Hi.
Yeah.
Where?
Aryaman.
Hi.
Hi. Since this is going to be your app, will there be any personal moments with your family
Yes, of
which
course.
will be shared? And
I
will
took a-
your brother actually be making an entry into this app also?
Yeah, when his film releases, because he refuses to even get out of his room.
Okay. How different is
That's
he
very
from you and your sister? Can you share some personal
About
moments?
Harsh,
Yes.
can I please talk about it after his film releases? Because I will get slaughtered at home because he's trying to make an impact.
Thank
But
you.
he has to stop going to restaurants if he wants to make an impact.
Thank you.
Hi Sonam here.
Hi.
Congratulations to you for this app.
Thank you.
I can see your excitement in you.
I'm always excited, guys.
the-
Or I'm crying in front of all of you all, or I'm really happy, or something or the other.
My question is like, what made you to launch these apps?
What made me launch this app?
Was there some incidents that even this media, we cover you on social media and everything,
Yeah.
then do you launch your own apps?
Yeah.
Was there any reason behind it or something like?
Like I said, it was actually Varun who came to my house, and then he got Benji along later, and he said that, you know, this is what we're doing, and I thought it was so great. It was such a good idea, and I've thought about it like a couple of times before. I wanted to do like other apps, and I want to do a couple of startups, and I want to do this, and I want to do that. But like, you know, you never go around to doing something unless somebody comes into your life and kind of pushes you into doing it. And so I decided to do it. So I can't build my own app. Like I have no experience in that. But I can give them all the content, and I can give them myself. And they will build it for me. I create content, I package it, I do everything. And they build it, they interact, they monitor it, they do the marketing of it. And the whole point is, like I've been saying, is to give people a taste, more than a taste of what my life is like.
How Benzi came in this apps, like, no, because we Indians
How
are
did you
very
come
good.
into this
We are
app
good, Indians
world?
good in this thing also.
Who are you?
How did I
Where
come
are you
into this
from?
app?
Besides the lovely accent.
So Nam.
I came into doing this because before my life as a founder of a startup in London, I worked in the music industry as an artist
musician?
and as a DJ and running a record label in London. And I toured all over the world. I played a few times in India, in fact. And it seemed to me that there was a very powerful product that could be built that would create great experiences for fans and would provide great opportunities for talent if you could directly connect them. Because without going kind of too deep into the business around technology, at the moment around the world, people who create content, who have big audiences that wish to interact with them, at the moment most of that value of that interaction is being appropriated by Silicon Valley. And really the people who the audiences love should feel that they can get inspired by the technology they make, that they can connect more deeply with the audience they have, and thirdly, that they can control the technology they use. So the app we've built for Sanam now, just like the content that's in it, is only the beginning. It's going to be evolving constantly throughout the year. So the product that's sitting in your hands in 18 months' time will be very different from the one you have in your hands now. Because back in London, deep underground in Disciple HQ, we're permanently developing. And so this product is only going to get stronger over the coming years.
Hello, you're working on on Sonam as well. Are you planning somebody else also from Bollywood industry?
Are you planning on working with other people?
Yeah, I mean, at the moment, our pure focus is on Sanam and making this a huge success for her. But obviously, we see that there's a lot of other talent out there, whether in Bollywood or in cricket, where this kind of technology could work really well. But for
Isn't
now,
there
the
more to
focus
India
is
besides
Sanam.
Bollywood and cricket? Bollywood and cricket. Now there's politics,
Politics as well.
religion.
Religion, yes, religion would be good.
Some Baba will have an app soon.
Hello Sonam, I'm Soumya Verma from Bollywood Nazar. So,
Hanji.
who has been your inspiration behind this app? Is it like the Kylie Jenner app in
No.
Hollywood?
I wish it was like as good. I mean, it's better. No, it's not, because I actually work for a living. I do something. So there's workahol, there's like stuff about my movies. There are a lot of other people besides the Jenners and Kardashians who have apps and who have blogs, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have your own blogs and own profiles on Facebook and stuff like that. This is just a consolidation of that. So, where are you from? Bollywood Nazar. Okay. Okay. I like your hair. Okay.
सोनम हाल ही में विराट कोहली ने भी अपना इस तरह से एक फ़ैन पेज लॉन्च किया जहां पर वो अपने फ़ैन से बात कर सकते हैं, और अब आपने भी इस तरह से अपना ऐप लॉन्च किया है. तो आपको लगता है कि सेलिब्रिटी अब अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को लेकर बहुत ही ओपन हो गए हैं? अब वो सामने
मैं तो
आते हैं,
always
बात
open
करते
ही
हैं.
हूँ यार.
Yes, correct.
हाँ, it's correct, right?
तो
You're right. मैं क्या करूँ अपने, मतलब मेरा पर्सनल लाइफ अगर होता ना, तो मैं बहुत, मतलब मेरी जो ये, मैं बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट हूँ, मैं आई ट्राई टू बी माई सेल्फ. लाइक आई सेड, मैं बहुत कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं आई डू नॉट फाइंड द मीडिया और द ऑडियंस एज एनिमीज.
और
आई डोंट थिंक, मैं कंप्लीट करती हूँ, आई डोंट थिंक दैट दे आर. तो मैं आई नेवर ट्रीट देम एज सच कि मैं ये कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी, वो कुछ नहीं करूँगी और फिर मैं अपने PR को बोलूँगी ये स्टोरी डाल दो. वो कभी होता नहीं है, वो मेरी लाइफ में कभी होगा भी नहीं. पर 2-3 चीज़ें हैं जो मैं अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ की वो पर्सनल ही रखती हूँ. वेदर इट्स माई रिलेशनशिप्स, आई नेवर टॉक अबाउट दैट. I never do talk about that. I don't even tell my parents till I decide that it's serious. Not because of anything, because मुझे लगता है कि यार बहुत दूसरी चीज़ें हैं लाइफ में जो आप जिसके बारे में आप बात कर सकते हैं. पर्सनल चीज़ें जैसे लाइक्स और डिसलाइक्स, आपको किताबें कौन सी पसंद है, फिल्म्स कौन सी पसंद है, आप किस रिलीजन को फॉलो करते हैं, अगर फॉलो करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं, कि आप एथियस्ट हैं बहुत आपकी आइडियल्स क्या हैं, आपकी प्रिंसिपल्स क्या हैं, आप इफ़ यू लाइक टू डू सोशल वर्क, आप किस कॉज के लिए आप काम कर सकते. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स दैट मेक you a whole person besides who you're dating. So if you're talking about personal life like that, it's completely different. But my personal life is out there because I've always been myself. But if you're talking about personal life as a boyfriend, उसके बारे में तो कभी बात नहीं करूँगी because right now it's not relevant to who I am as a person to everybody around there. That is going to be an addition to my life later on. And if I feel comfortable at that point to talk about it, then I will. But right now, personal life के बारे में बात करना, I think it's not necessary, right?
और सोनम, हम यहाँ ऐप में लाइव देख रहे हैं कि आपके ढेरों सारे फैन जो हैं
क्या बोल रहे हैं? अच्छा बोल रहे हैं?
वो बोल रहे हैं आई लव यू सोनम, यू लुकिंग गॉर्जियस, यू ये वो. तो जब इस तरह के कमेंट आप पढ़ती हैं तो क्या फील करती हैं अपने
ऐसे आई लव यू बैक यार. अगर वो नहीं होते तो मैं नहीं होती. करेक्ट. तो वही है, वही मैं कह रही हूँ कि आई कांट से द मीडिया इज और द ऑडियंस इज माई एनिमी. मुझे परसिक्यूशन कॉम्प्लेक्स बिल्कुल है नहीं. क्योंकि अगर मैं नहीं होती तो आप नहीं होते, अगर आप नहीं होते तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं होती. आप लोग मुझे रेलेवेंट बनाते हैं. ये मेरे जो ट्राइब है, मेरे जो फैंस हैं जैसे और मेरे फॉलोअर्स हैं, वो मुझे रेलेवेंट बनाते हैं. अदरवाइज आई एम इररेलेवेंट. तो मुझे बहुत ही खुशी होती है. अगर थोड़ा स्टॉकलिश हो जाए तो वो थोड़ी डरावनी बात है, पर अदरवाइज आई एम क्वाइट गुड विथ इट. आई फील्स रियली रियली गुड.
Okay, I'll just like to step in before we answer the next question. Going back to you regarding the Kardashians app, this is a completely different product. We did not look at that at all. This is a much easier product. Sonam is an entire different entity to them. It's a completely different product.
Why can't you call me the Rolling Stones instead?
So, we would like to make it
I think I'm a rock star.
For sure. That
You're
this
with
is
a rock
definitely
star.
not based on anything the Kardashians do. This is, something totally new and totally up Sonam's alley. And I just wanted to point
And there
that
are
out.
some food apps as well. I could be the Rolling Stone. I'm Rolling Stones. That's what I am. I'm just missing a couple of band members.
We have a very, very strange selection of people who should never be associated with one company, but we have the biggest country music star in America. We have the Rolling Stones. We're about to launch one of the biggest tennis players in the world. We have Sanam Kapoor, and so it seems completely disparate, this collection of people, but the thing that unites them all
I can play tennis.
is that they all have adoring fans or tribe members, and they all create content that those fans love. So that's the thing that binds all our clients together.
Okay, this will be the last question. Hi, Sonam.
Hi.
Congratulations,
Thank
great move.
you. Thank you.
Okay, how much time will you be devoting to this? Because you must be surely having a very busy schedule.
But guys, I do one film a year. You all know this. आप लोग पूछते हैं अरे नेक्स्ट फिल्म कभी आने वाली है सोनम? अभी तो एक फिल्म रिलीज हुई है मेरी. तो अभी मेरी जो नेक्स्ट फिल्म शुरू होने वाली है, पर यू शूट एक्चुअली 45, 50 और 60 डेज. मैं उससे ज़्यादा शूट नहीं करती हूँ पूरे साल. मेरे बहुत सारे दूसरे कमिटमेंट्स भी हैं. पर द थिंग इज़ द होल पॉइंट ऑफ दिस ऐप इज़ कि हम सोशल मीडिया कैसे करते हैं. इट विल बी अ क्रॉनिकल्स ऑफ माई लाइफ. तो जैसे मैं जो भी मेरा दिन है उस दिन को मैं फॉलो करके वो आपके पास तक ले आऊँगी. तो बहुत सारे दूसरे लाइक मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स, और उसके लिए मैं 2-3 दिन हर महीने निकालूंगी. मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स, हेयर ट्यूटोरियल्स या स्टाइल टिप्स या आर्टिकल्स जो लिखना है उसके लिए मैं 2-3 दिन निकालूंगी एक महीने में. पर जो भी मेरा काम है हर महीने, उसके लिए मैं अपना फ़ोन या अपना कैमरा यूज़ करूँगी या 1-2 कैमरे वाले को हायर करूँगी जो मेरा सारा मेरी लाइफ को क्रॉनिकल करेंगे. और जो भी मुझे पसंद आएगा वो मैं ऐप पे डाल दूंगी. और लाइव तो मतलब एक बटन की बात है, जैसे हम स्नैपचैट करते हैं. तो एक्चुअली वो ये बहुत ही आसान चीज़ है. इसके लिए इतना टाइम मतलब एक्स्ट्रा टाइम निकाल के डेडिकेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी जीनी है और वो ज़िंदगी जीते वक्त डियर डायरी की तरह ऐप में निकाल के लगा देना है.
Sonam, as it is, Bollywood stars have been losing their aura over the last many years. You don't fear that? I mean, there is an aura around, but since everybody
that is either there or it's not there. That's natural. I mean, if you look at the actors who are the biggest actors all over the world right now, whether it's a Jennifer Lawrence, whether it's anybody, like whoever is the most relevant right now, they are people who appear to be the most human. And like I said, that it's not, being a celebrity is not about aura. That aura is either there or it's not there. It's when you walk into the room, if people are looking at you and if they gravitate towards you, you have it. If you don't have it, you don't have it, unfortunately. You can't create it. But it's about aspiration, being aspirational. And aspirational does not necessarily mean mystery and keeping yourself away from people and suddenly becoming like, you know, like hiding in your house and stuff like that. It's about being warm, it's about connecting, it's about being out there. Why do you think marketing has become so relevant to our films these days? Because people are realizing that everything is tangible, and no matter how much social media you have there, no matter how much you connect, after all, it's only on the phone. You know? And so I don't think that's true. That's a very old-fashioned way of thinking. It's not old-fashioned, but it's a close-minded way of thinking. And some people think like that, and there's no judgment where there's concern. But my thinking is, if I stand up for what I believe in, if I am myself, people will like me, good for me. People don't like me, not good for me, but it does not make difference to my life.
Sanam?
Yes?
Can I just ask you a question? It's just come in from 3 fans, because this has been live streamed at the moment, and there's thousands of messages coming in from fans. And I just looked at my phone, and at the same time, 3 fans asked the same question. And the question is, who was your first ever crush?
My first ever crush? Oh, God. Why do you ask these questions? Who was my first ever crush? Let me think about it. When I was younger, besides Salman Khan. Shut up. He's saying Calendar from Mr. India. That might have been your crush. Who was my first crush? You know, this will be really silly, but there's Beauty and the Beast is a book. I always liked the Beast. I guess eventually I started liking the bad boy. It's just an evolution of likes. So I guess I always liked the Beast from Beauty and the Beast because, you know, I was a nerd. I loved reading. That was my dream, to have an amazing library and a man that I could save. And I think that's most girls out there. They're always trying to save someone. And I have to warn you guys, never fall in love with the potential of a man. Fall in love with the man. Because those stories were not true. Nobody changes. Nobody becomes a prince after you kiss the frog or the beast.
Well, you just made 2 fans from India and 1 fan from Italy very happy because you answered their question.
From Italy?
From Italy.
Oh, amazing. Any other fan questions? I like these questions better.
Thank you everyone for coming
you.
here. We would like to, I'm sorry, but we have to close this session. We would like to invite everyone to that room.
There's a lot of good, like tea, food, and tea and coffee, and chai and everything, and I'll be joining you all. Yes? Hanji.
Last, boliye.
हाँ जी. उनको क्या मैसेज देना चाहूँगी? मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं मतलब ये जो है ये एक मेरी दुनिया के लिए एक इजी एक्सेस है. मेरी दुनिया तक एक इजी एक्सेस है. और अगर वो मेरी दुनिया देखना चाहते हैं, और ये अगर आप बॉम्बे नहीं आ सकते हैं तो आप अपने फ़ोन पे ये ऐप डाउनलोड करके मुझसे मिल सकते हैं. थैंक यू.
क्या फील करती हैं आप जब इस तरह से चीज़ें सुनती हैं आप?
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि हमने बहुत मेहनत की है और लोग हमारे काम को पसंद करते हैं, और लोगों को लगता है कि अगर हम ये ऐप को डाउनलोड करेंगे तो हम सोनम तक पहुंच सकते हैं। और ये बहुत बड़ी बात है मेरे लिए कि लोग ये सब सोच के सुन के उन्हें मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगता है, ऑब्वियसली अच्छा ही लगेगा।
जी बिल्कुल। तो ये आइडिया सबसे पहले कब आया कि इस तरह से ऐप लॉन्च करना है और हम जहाँ भी जाएंगे जो कुछ भी करेंगे
करीब एक साल पहले हमारा दोस्त, मेरा जो दोस्त है वरुण, वो आया था, घर पे आया था। उसने कहा कि ये मैं इस कंपनी के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ और आप सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत ही रेलेवेंट हैं, क्या आप ये ऐप करना चाहोगे? तो आई सेड क्यों नहीं। ये एक नेचुरल प्रोग्रेशन है, लोग मुझे बहुत पसंद करते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे। और ये चीज़ आई थिंक डब स्मैश, प्रेम रतन धन पायो डब स्मैश और नीजा के फियर वर्सेस नीजा वाली जो कैंपेन जो इतनी सक्सेसफुल चली, लोग उसे देख के उन्हें लगता है कि सोशल मीडिया पे मैं कुछ करके दिखा सकती हूँ।
करेक्ट। तो अब आपके व्यूवर्स के लिए जानना चाहेंगे कि इस ऐप में आप क्या क्या करने वाली हैं और क्या कुछ होगा? वो
बहुत सारी चीज़ें होंगी और जब भी आपको कुछ देखना है तो वो अपडेट होता जाएगा।
लाइक हमने सुना कि ट्रैवलिंग या
हाँ जी, यस,
फैशन
फूड या तो फैशन के बारे में, ट्रैवल के बारे में, फिल्म्स के बारे में, मेकअप के बारे में, हेयर के बारे में, किताबों के बारे में, म्यूज़िक के बारे में, जो भी मेरे लाइक्स और डिसलाइक्स है वो सब आपको इस ऐप पे दिखाई देंगे।
तो कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप अब, क्योंकि ऐप लॉन्च हो चुका है?
बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ, बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ
जी। और इस तरह के हम और ऐसे कोई कपूर ऐप देखेंगे कि
कपूर ऐप, वरुण, यू वांट टू मेक अ कपूर ऐप
जहाँ पे पूरी फैमिली ऐसा कुछ?
क्यों नहीं, देखते हैं।
ओके, आपके अब और अपकमिंग आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में सोनम जानना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि आप अपनी आई थिंक सिस्टर के साथ में कुछ प्रोजेक्ट
जी, और 1-2 हफ्ते में वो अनाउंसमेंट आएगी, पर अब मुझे अपने ऐप के बारे में बात करना है, पर मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आई विल अनाउंस इट ऑन माय ऐप लाइव, सोनम लाइव अनाउंसिंग हर नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट।
जी। सोनम, फिटनेस के ऊपर इस ऐप में कितना देखते हैं?
बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऑलरेडी
फिट रहती हैं, बहुत ही फैशन आइकॉन
मैं
मानी जाती हैं।
फिट तो नहीं हूँ, कोशिश जारी है फिट होने की, पर मेरी जो फिटनेस इंस्ट्रक्टर है राधिका कालरे और न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट है, वो बहुत सारी टिप्स देंगी इस ऐप में कि सोनम, आपको लगता है कि सोनम फिट है, वो आपको दिखाई देगा क्यों फिट है, क्योंकि वो बहुत एक्सरसाइज करती है और ज़्यादा खाना खाती है।
और फैशन की क्या कुछ टिप्स देने वाली हैं आप इस ऐप के जरिए?
मेरी जो बहन है, वो मेरी स्टाइलिस्ट है, वो टिप्स देगी, मैं टिप्स दूंगी, मेरी जो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है नम्रता सोनी, आरती नायर, मलिका भट्ट, वो सब टिप्स देंगी।
चलिए, जाते जाते व्यूअर्स को क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इस ऐप के जरिए?
ये सोनम कपूर जो ऐप है, ये आपको बहुत पसंद आएगी। अगर आपको मेरे तक पहुंचना है, मेरी ज़िंदगी के बारे में आपको कुछ जानकारी की ज़रूरत है, तो आपको ये इस ऐप पे मिलेगी।
थैंक यू। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू।
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.